Hi, and welcome to the contingency plan. Today we're going to do a little talk about some comms. I've always thought that, obviously, that comms are very important. And my preference is these Baofangs. I think I have about somewhere around 12 of these. And they're nice because they are ham radios, but they're also FRS channels 1 through 4. And there's a lot of things you can do with these, and some of that includes other like third-party items that work alongside the Baofang, and I will show you a couple of them now. So one of the things I got a while ago, both of these things I've had for a while, and that is, so I have a couple of bump helmets. They look almost identical. But you'll notice this here. I'm sorry, this is kind of awkward with one hand. It's just one earpiece, which I like because it does leave your right ear open for hearing things that may be nearby or happening around you. But let me see if I can get this. Try and get this. Okay, so you've got, sorry, this is very awkward with one hand. You've got this earpiece, the microphone, and then this clip is metal, so it's very, very sturdy, and the spring is really tight. So if you clip this onto like a Molly tactical vest or whatever you're wearing, a backpack strap, this thing is not going anywhere. It's push to talk, and then this plugs right into the Baofang radio. So let's see, right here. Get this open with one hand here, excuse me. Okay, so that plugs right into here. And then you have silent communication. So whoever's talking to you, it's not going to come out through the speaker. It's going to come out through the headphone. So you're not going to give yourself away. Now, of course, you'll have to whisper if you're in an area where there could be other individuals around. But then here's the other one I got, and this is pretty cool. This is a Walker's FireMax, and this is electronic ear protection / radio communicator. So I'll turn this on. You may hear the lady say something here. I could hear it, but you probably couldn't. So that's the FRS channel right there. I have it on, just channel 4. It's the same that my radio is on. So if you were to go half a mile away wearing these, and I was here with that radio, we could talk. And this is press to talk if you want, is right here. Or I have a voice activation. So it has a Vox setting. I went through the menu, which is this button right here, and turned Vox on. So it is voice activated now. So if I'm wearing this and I just start talking, it'll come through that radio. Let's turn this off here. And she said something again. I think she just says Walkers or something. It's weird. It's kind of creepy, but these are really good ear protection. They have different settings. I know the voice activation has a high, low, and the way, I think what that's for is if you're inside, you would set it on, I believe it's low, because there's no noise, and the only noise that would probably come through the mic would be your voice. Outside, you set it to high, or maybe it's the opposite. I'd have to look. I don't remember. But one of them, because you're outside and there's more ambient sound, there's like, you know, stepping on twigs, you don't necessarily want it to broadcast everything that it hears. I think it's low outside and high inside, but it could be the opposite. I'm not sure. It has different sensitivity settings for the ear protection. And like I said, it has the four FRS channels. Then it has 22 program channels and then 99 alternate channels. So it's got a ridiculous amount of channels. I've just had my Baofeng set to channel 4 for whatever reason, just because. And so I set this to 4. But I like this because it's ear protection, but it amplifies everything. So if there was somebody walking, you know, somewhere nearby in the woods or something, this would pick it up. You would hear their footsteps. Whereas with that one, you've got just communication. There's no ear protection or amplification, but you do have the other ear open and available for being able to hear other things. Obviously, if that was a 2-ear muff setup, you would be kind of deaf to what's going on around you. Whereas with this actually amplifies what's going on around you and then protects against loud noises. So gunshots would be muffled, but voices and twig snaps would be amplified. But anyway, I don't know if some of you have stuff like this already. Samson's coming to say hi. How's it going, buddy? If you have these, either let me think. Everything here, I believe, everything is from Amazon. I mean, the bump helmet, the night vision, the radio, the Baofeng, the walkers, everything here is from Amazon. So you can find this stuff. I'm not going to necessarily put any links in. I'm sure you're capable of looking these things up. But anyway, I hope everybody's doing great. Samson's clearly doing great. All right, Samson. Okay, nice to see you. He's been out drinking his water. Now he's ready to roll. Right?